CRCL, stock analysis, and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Which is quick and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Especially with Circle, this thing is melting down. I mean, yesterday I did see a 5% correction, which doesn't make it an immediate bad thing, but I don't doubt, right? I don't doubt that it could be breaking the lows. But instead of assuming me trying to play smart here, trying to predict the universe, what I said is I'm going to react to whatever the price is going to give me. So as long as it's sitting inside this zone, I don't care, right? I'm just going to keep an eye out and observe. But the only real tactics is going to be, this is going to be changing if the price breaks above or beneath. If it breaks above, then we'll look for it to take it lower. If it breaks lower, it doesn't mean that I'm selling, you know, I'll update the market. But right now, that's how things are looking like. You know, all I'm sticking to, by the way, is just my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos. So that's how CRCL is looking like. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.